what you've been worrying about. Never mind.
Guys, so I don't know if this is going to be starting of the video or not, but if I do decide to add this footage, as you guys can see, if I do add the footage, that if I don't add the footage, but either way, my sister and I were camping in our living room. We've done this before, but we're doing it again. The only thing is we didn't do the whole fort thing. I wasn't pitching any tents. We do have a tent. We have all the camp gear, you name it. Like, we have all of it because I used to go camping when I was younger until like my teenage years. So we got the blow up beds, but we just did the blow up beds, which I think if I add it again, if I add the clip, I'll add it. So we're still camping for the rest of the weekend. We'll probably put our everything back Monday morning and get back to, well, we're on summer break, so I was about to say get back to life, but like it's summer break, so I don't really have to go to work. But anyway, so I was thinking of us doing a sip and paint. So we're probably not going to have like food in terms of food. Like, I know people do it different. I've never recorded us doing like a painting, but we've done a few, like 2 paintings before. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do yet. We kind of just go look at different YouTube videos, and of course follow the YouTube videos, and how our things come out is how it comes out. So I will show you guys how I try to set up everything, and then once everything is set up, I'll show you guys, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. But so far, if you guys see me, I gotta cut the AC on. I'm sorry, I'm hot. Although it's not hot outside, it's hot in here, and it's so much noise going on outside that it's like fireworks. I don't know why. Well, I guess tomorrow's 4th of July, but still, fireworks and just music. I don't need copyright. We're probably gonna play our own music, but of course I'm gonna have to like put other music in the background because I'm gonna play with copyright. AC for a second so you guys can hear me. But yeah, this is apple juice, okay? We're not drinking alcohol, just so you guys see. It's actually Martinelli. So we bought another one, and that actually tastes really good. I originally was looking for the Martinelli, the apple cider, but they didn't have it anywhere. I went to the supermarket, they didn't have it, and then the deli didn't have it either. The deli did have these apple juices, so we picked that up, and yeah, so that will be our beverage. Just you guys definitely try it if you ever drunken Martinelli's, like their champagne. They have the apple juice now too, and it comes in that I like this bottle. It comes in a cute bottle, so yeah. They're not sponsoring me or anything, but yes, I live on Martinelli, so. I guess you can say this is with where the semi-hard part came in, and I had to blend to make it pink because I wanted to make it pink like the photo that I saw. Now it wasn't the exact same pink. Mine is more like, I would say, a magenta pink. But anyway, I was mixing red and white, and then as you guys can see, I started painting it on so I can mirror the photo that I was copying. Now, if you want to see the photo I was copying, because I don't even remember where I found it now, so to go look for it will take me a minute. You can definitely check my Instagram and my TikTok because I shared my inspo on what I followed. And I actually didn't watch a YouTube video like I said I was going to. I actually just looked at the picture and drew from hand. So, I mean, it turned out pretty decent for a person who does not know how to do any type of artist stuff, in my opinion. But anyway, I'm about to show you guys the end results. I wasn't going to bore you because this took me over like about an hour and a half to finish, from drawing and just making sure, because I wanted it to be looking a certain way, so it was kind of going back, perfecting certain things. But anyway, I'll show you for the finished product. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this paint and sip. And I will try to leave the kit that I use as acrylic paint. I really like this paint. It's really easy to use. Bye!
Other people tryna break